Cozy Corner or Vignette is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-hosts are Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa, Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, and me, D9 Designs. Be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on our channels and use the hashtag CozyCorner24. My Cozy Corner is a tiered tray full of spring DIYs. It is colorful and full of light in the corner. On the top tray is my Carrot Tealight decor. I just hot glued faux carrots around the hurricane light, tied it with a green satin ribbon, and inserted a tea light in the middle. But you can also use string lights, that's pretty too. This is set on the top tier to set the after dinner mood. On the next level is an egg carton with 6 broken eggs inside. You will notice that they are different colors inside. Pink, blue, orange are the soft colors. That were the colors of the flowers that were in them. However, when they wilted, I removed them to find the beautiful colors inside the shell. And then I put some baby's breath inside for a modern, minimal, lovely look. Lastly, I put a peep pot with dried grass and a Baroque blue egg inside. I DIY'd the egg and the peep pot to give an old world feel. Beside the eggs are 2 wooden bunnies that I made for a previous collaboration. I sprayed them gold for a modern look. This is so nice to have on my counter as I have my morning tea or evening snack. All of these DIYs can be seen on my YouTube channel, and you can see exactly how they were made. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Help me reach my goal so I can award a prize to a subscriber that comments on that video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, find out where joy resides and give it a voice far beyond singing. For to miss the joy is to miss all. This is by Robert Louis Stevenson. See you later. Take care. Bye-bye.